Storm Tracker weather starts now with Chief Meteorologist Curtis Grevenens.
Rain and snow were falling from the sky over the weekend, but 46 years ago today, it was ash falling on Montana. In this week's WeatherWise, May 18th, 1980, the effects were felt far and wide of one of the most destructive volcanic events in U.S. history.
46 years ago today, the catastrophic eruption of Mount St. Helens in Washington began at 8:32 in the morning with a magnitude 5.1 earthquake that caused the entire north face to collapse, which would later be known to be the largest sub-landslide in recorded history. Superheated gas, ash, and rock traveled at speeds exceeding 300 miles per hour with temperatures around 660 degrees. The eruption column rose to 80,000 feet. The ash cloud traveled hundreds of miles, reaching Yakima, Washington in 3 hours and Spokane in about 5. The ash cloud arrived in Montana early on May 19, 1980. According to eyewitness Montanans, the arrival of the ash was described as a snowfall of dark material. The ashfall accumulated several inches in parts of Montana, and some people claim they had to repeatedly clean the ash off cars and their homes. The Montana Department of Transportation used plows to clear some of the roads. Some Montanans thought the incoming dark plume was a thunderstorm until the ash started to fall. The ash blocked the sun, reducing daytime temperatures. At night, it did the opposite, keeping temperatures 10 to 12 degrees warmer like a blanket. The combination of daytime cooling and nighttime warming created unusual temperature patterns for Washington, Idaho, and Big Sky country. Ash and dust remained part of the landscape for weeks until rain cleared the air and the ground. And now you're a little more weather-wise.
All right, and I was not here to see that, but so many of you had told me stories of the ash accumulating on the roads, on cars, on just about everything. Wild, wild stuff the world can do, the earth can do. It was some good snow. I was right up here this weekend. Kings Hill, picking up a bunch of snow. Snow in the Helena Valley multiple times. A little brighter, a little warmer, 55, still a bit chilly. Great Falls, snow off in the distance over the high woods, 52 degrees. But look at that wind direction out of the south. A little warmer wind direction. Not very warm out there today, though. Cooler the farther east you go, 60 over in Missoula. A little breezy. Boy, it was a cold wind at times over the weekend. Some showers, some thunderstorms. So our storm that produced the rain, the snow, it's moving out, but notice we still have some showers and some thunderstorms further upstream for all you fishermen out there. A couple of showers and snow even up on the Continental Divide, up Canyon Creek. Some of this Rogers Passage might drift down towards the Helena Valley. Great Falls should be dry, but just off towards the west. Choteau, Augusta, Fairfield, a couple of showers, a little snow up on the Rocky Mountain front, some thunderstorms. We're going to get into some of this tomorrow. And there goes our big storm. Up to 2 feet of snow into southern Wyoming and northern Colorado, and we got severe weather breaking out into the central parts of the country. All right, so the rest of this evening, a couple of showers near Helena. Great Falls should be dry. Rocky Mountain front, East Glacier area, maybe a shower as well. Skies clear out tonight. Little fog, potentially a killing frost. Most of us were right down in the upper 20s, lower 30s this morning. Tomorrow morning, likely a few degrees cooler. Showers popping up tomorrow afternoon, evening. Few isolated thunderstorms and some snowflakes in the mountains. It's mid-May here in Montana. And then Wednesday, a little stronger front comes down. We'll have mostly cloudy skies, widespread showers, and a few isolated thunderstorms. Also a little snow into the higher terrain Wednesday night and Thursday. So here comes this system through on Wednesday. Still a couple lingering showers on Thursday. Friday looks great. Of course, that's Friday before Memorial Day weekend. There might be an isolated mountain storm, but I do not foresee a big, huge storm that's going to bring snow and rain and cold temperatures for 2 out of the 3 days like we often see. Little front goes through on Wednesday, some scattered showers and thunderstorms, and if you're heading to the Beartooth, I'll see you there, but Probably a little snow on Saturday. Sunday looks dry, a little breezy. Late Memorial Day, maybe a couple of scattered showers and storms coming through here. So a little on the chilly side here tonight. Gates Park in the Bob was down to 14 degrees this morning. If you planted some flowers, might want to cover them up. Look at Showdown at 19 degrees. Out in the Helena Valley, probably in the upper 20s tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, a few showers, an isolated thunderstorm, a little warmer, up into the 60s. Wednesday, cooler, some snow in the higher terrain, widespread showers, and a few thunderstorms. All right, let's take a look at Great Falls 7-day forecast. So this weekend, Memorial Day weekend, it does look warmer, more isolated showers, and a few thunderstorms on Saturday, and then again on Monday, and the same goes for the capital. But overall, not a bad week.